The MOONASCEND Infrared Laser Thermometer covers a very wide temperature span, making it suitable for everything from checking freezers to monitoring extremely hot equipment and cooking surfaces. Its dual measurement system, combining non-contact infrared readings with a K-type thermocouple probe, lets you check both surface and internal temperatures with one tool. The fast response time and stable accuracy give you reliable readings in about half a second, which is especially useful for tasks like grilling, oven checks, or tuning heating systems. Adjustable emissivity helps this thermometer handle different materials such as metal, liquid, and wood more precisely than basic single-setting guns. A built-in maximum and minimum tracking function with an alert for unusual temperatures makes it easier to spot safety issues or process problems before they escalate. The package includes the thermometer, probe, holster, batteries, and clear instructions, so it is ready to use right away for home, hobby, and industrial projects.